Hello everyone. I hope you have seen the last video of letter writing, that is letter to the editor. In this video we are going to see another letter writing, that is letter for placing order. Now this is the second type of letter which we are going to see. First of all, let's see the format. First is sender's address. The format for the letter to the editor and letter for placing order will remain little bit same. First, as we have written sender's address, you have to write your own address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject. So here for subject, what you will write? You are writing a letter for placing order. So you will write placing order for this or that equipment, like that. Okay, and then salutation. Then first paragraph, introductory paragraph about the order, that from which school or which department you are and what do you want from the owner of the shop and why you are writing a letter, that you will write in the first paragraph about the order. Then in second paragraph, main paragraph, placing order in tabular form, that first you will write my order is as shown below in the table, and then you will write your order like this: first serial number, then items, author, brand or company, and then quantity. Like this in tabular form you will write your second paragraph. And then third paragraph will be concluding paragraph, that in this paragraph if you want any concession, discount or anything, and how will you pay your the amount, okay, and how you want your order in how many days, this everything you will write in the concluding paragraph. And at last you will write yours faithfully, your name and designation. Designation is important to write. Okay, now let's see this with an example. Your school is planning to organize a musical competition next month on the occasion of World Music Day. You are Sunil Raj or Sarita Raj, the activity in charge of Republic School, Dwarka, Delhi. So here the name is already given of the sender as well as the address. You require certain musical instruments for the smooth running of the event. And for what you are writing a letter, what order do you want? You want some musical instruments. Then write a letter to the store manager, MS Sargam Instruments, Dwarka, Delhi, and the receiver's address also is given here. Placing order for the specific instruments required by you. So here you are writing a letter for some specific instruments which you want in your musical competition. So let's start. First of all, the address which is given here, Republic School, Dwarka, Delhi. So write address, then date you will write in the same form as we in the letter to the editor, 30th April 2020. Then receiver's address, the store manager, MS Sargam Instruments, Dwarka, New Delhi. Then subject, as already I have described, order for musical instruments. In few words, placing order for musical instruments. Now you have to write the salutation, sir. Then in first paragraph, why you are writing a letter to the manager, what order do you want, that you will write paragraph. Our school is going to organize a musical competition next month. Then you are the biggest wholesale supplier of musical instruments in Delhi and offer the most competitive prices and prompt services. So this you will write in the first paragraph, that you are from school and organizing a competition. Then you will write something about the shop to whom you are writing a letter, and then I wish to place an order for some musical instruments for the smooth running of the events. Clear? So this thing you will write in the first paragraph. Now let me tell you one thing. You can remember or by heart this paragraph. In every letter to for placing order, you can write this paragraph. But what you have to change, only some lines or some words. First of all, here organize a musical competition. Instead of this, whatever the question, according to that you will write. But this you will write the same. You are the biggest wholesale supplier of, instead of musical instruments, you will write whatever you require. In Delhi, here the name of the city, and offer the most competitive prices and prompt services. So this you will write the same. I wish to place an order for whatever you require for the smooth running of the events. Clear? So this paragraph you have to do by heart. So you can write this paragraph in each placing order later. The next paragraph. The order is as follows. As already I have said, first of all you have to write the serial number, then instruments, then brand and quantity. So here the person has written he wants flute and the company Tanglewood and quantity. Then Marx Roland company 4 pairs, guitar Ibanez and 4 quantity, tabla Novation brand 5 quantity, harmonium Yamaha brand 3 quantity, and tambourine Square brand and 3 quantity. So here in the second paragraph you will write in the tabular form the order, and in the last paragraph you will write whatever I have said. All the instruments should be packed properly and of the specific brand only. So according to your brand you want your order, not beyond that. All the instruments should be packed properly or packing भी proper होना चाहिए. We expect 15% discount as admissible to all educational institutions. Okay, and what do you want? 15% discount. Then in case of any damage in transit, the goods will be returned at your cost. और अगर कुछ टूटा फूटा हुआ तो वो आपके कॉस्ट पर आपको हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Payment would be made by check once the goods are received. We expect prompt delivery within a week. So this thing you have to write in the last paragraph. So you can memorize or by heart this paragraph even. You have to write the same paragraph in whatever or whichever question, placing order question is asked. The same paragraph you have to write. Nothing change will be there if it is educational institution. So remember this thing and by heart this paragraph and write in placing order later the same paragraph as the concluding paragraph. At last, thanking you, yours faithfully, Sarita Raj, activity in charge. So like this we have to write a later. Let's quickly recapitalize this. First of all, you will write your own address, then date, then the name of the address of the receiver, then subject in few words. Then in first paragraph you will write why you are writing a letter to the manager of a shop, what do you require. Then in second, in a tabular form you will write whatever requirement you have, instruments, brand, quantity, this everything in a tabular form. And then in last paragraph you will write when do you want this order, how many percentage discount do you want, as well as how do you want this order, properly packed and of specific brand, and how will you pay the amount. This everything you will write in the last paragraph. And at last, thanking you and yours faithfully, Sarita Raj, and name and the designation. So like this you have to write a letter of placing order. I hope you understood this letter and you will write a good letter of placing order. Thank you.